My chickens started working overtime. They wear it almost every day, and I just laugh when they ask me what I give them. There is no magic, no expensive accessories, and no chemistry, just an old grandmother's trick that has been used in the countryside for years. Hens are calmer, their feathers are shinier, and their eggs are bigger and have a stronger shell. Best of all, it's all natural and accessible to everyone. If your hens also lay rarely or the eggs are weak-shelled, this is worth a try. Many think that the solution is in expensive food, but often the problem is in digestion and immunity. When that is fixed, the hen will show what she can do. This way does not create stress for them and does not force them to carry. That's why the results are long-term, not just a few days. Stay until the end because now comes the most important part. I pour warm, clean water into a larger white bucket. I add 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar and some cornmeal or polenta. If desired, a little crushed garlic can be added. I mix everything well and give it to the chickens to drink in the morning, 2 to 3 times a week. After a short time, the chickens are more active, healthier, and start laying eggs more regularly. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.